One of the roles I need to fill is a structural engineer. I made a video about wanting an architect, but architects are not the same as structural engineers. And a lot of the buildings I want to do are very simple. They're small, and I have building teams that can get started building them right away. That's just fine. But those are not using land the way I'd like to use them. And they have their place, and there will be, maybe 50 of them. That's fine. They'll be in cute little spots, and they'll be magical little buildings, often shared for some particular purpose. But some of the buildings I want to build are multi-story. They have a lot of complexity to them. I was just writing last night about another complex element that could be very useful, and I don't even know how to do it exactly. But my concern is that the buildings must be able to handle an extreme earthquake. Now, I am in an earthquake zone, and I have felt earthquakes here. They haven't been very big. And my land is really solid. It's really good. But let's just assume that if we want this building to survive 600, 1,000 years or something, we want to overbuild it, then we should assume there's going to be a really, really, really bad earthquake. And there's a whole bunch of other things to consider with structural engineering, longevity and materials and cost and everything, but I want it to be overbuilt. I want there to be no dangerous parts of it if there's an earthquake. So I don't know how structural engineering training works. I don't know much about structural engineering, but I know I don't want to fuck that part up. So if you're a structural engineer who's experienced, interested in designing something for the long term that's absolutely sustainable, that has all kinds of systems like composting, toilets, rain capture, solar power. Even the rain capture part's going to require that we have water storage, that we worry about water tanks being high up and how heavy they are. There's a lot of issues, really. And so if that interests you, let me know.